YouTube fam, it's your girl TK, and today I have decided that I wanted to get online and do a protein treatment in my hair, and we're going to do it together, okay? Because sharing is caring or whatever. Anyhow, like I was saying, we're going to be doing a protein, well, I'm going to be doing a protein treatment, and hopefully you guys have time to watch. Now, the protein treatment that I'll be doing today is some egg mayo, and I'm going to also be using some olive oil. Now, what I want you guys to know is I already blended it offline, so it's already been done. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm a busy woman, so I'll be going to the gyms and everything else, and I ain't have time to show y'all, and I do apologize. But this is the texture. Hopefully y'all can see it. Once I start putting it in my hair, I could definitely show you exactly how the texture is feeling and looking, darling. Anyhow, I have like one more braid that I need to take a loose, and then we're gonna get into this good, okay? So I'm taking the braid loose right now. And you know, when I be wearing my thick braids in my hair, child, I like to call them silly from the color purple braids. But honey, when I tell you my hair has been braided down for some time, it just feels good to just play with my own natural hair. So like I told you guys in another video, I was going to definitely take some time out and treat my hair. So we're going to do that today by doing a protein treatment. Now, if you go back and look at any of my previous videos, like I think it's been a year now, I cut my hair off. I did a big chop per se, and I cut like 75% of my hair off because it was just badly damaged, and my hair has grown so fudging much. And maybe I'll do a blowout just to so you guys can see the, you know, before and after picture. But when I tell you my hair is growing, homegirl is growing, and she is growing very much so nicely. Anyhow, I am going to go ahead on and start this little process. This is the texture. I'm just gonna put my hand in. I had it in the refrigerator when I went to the gym today, but like, could y'all see that? Ooh, it's nice and thick, the mayo. The only thing is that I don't want to be too messy, but it is what it is at this point. I'm just finna dive in and put my hands in it and apply it in my hair and just go through. So that is what we're doing. And this is literally the egg, the mayo, and the oil. I should have added a little honey, because I usually add honey to this mix, but I did not do that this time. But that's okay. Shit happens. What I'm going through and making sure that I do is that I put it through from the top, the rooty, to the motherfudging tootie. So from the beginning of the hair all the way to the ends of the hair, I'm just gonna go through and make sure, because my hair needs some affection, and I'm definitely going to give her that today. So I want you guys to see it. So let's talk about this smell of this egg mayo and honey. Honestly, it doesn't have a strong smell, which is really good, because just the thought about, you know, the egg or even the mayo, but it's not giving a really strong smell. And I'm really appreciating that. But then again, you know, I used to do these protein treatments all the time, so it could be a possibility that I kind of am used to it. I'm not used to it being this damn cold, but damn, I am used to doing protein treatments. So that could be something else too, but it is what it is. Oh, and guess what I was thinking about doing, guys? I was actually thinking about recutting my hair again, because when I was taking out my braids, I made a mistake in fucking cut some of my hair, and I was all disappointed. I'm like, damn, I'm messing up my own damn hair with the damn braids, but I don't know. I seen how some of these natural hair influencers talk about, you know, just treating the hair, and you know, hopefully it grows out, you know, to the length that you want, or it grows towards the length of the other hairs. So we'll see. And then on top of that, also I was watching how Cardi B, her hair has grown so much since she's been treating it. So I want to make sure that I am treating my hair. Plus on top of that, I don't know if I told you guys, but I am also taking vitamins, like all my women's vitamins now, vitamin C. I'm taking iron pills. Like, I am making sure, honey, I am taking care of myself, okay? Period. So hopefully with me, you know, taking my vitamins, working out, taking care of my health, mental, emotional, all that, hopefully that will help with managing and caring for my my natural hair. Anyhow, I am almost done, and I am about to do the back of my hair as we speak. Go ahead on and put the protein treatment in the back. But damn, my hair has grown a lot. Like, she is doing very much so very well. Like, I don't know if y'all been watching me, if you got to this part of the video. I don't know if you've been watching me, but or how long. But if you go back to when I was doing my natural hair videos and I was cutting it off before I start telling y'all all my business, child, before I started cutting my hair off and etc., etc., you wouldn't believe the bull. Like, you wouldn't believe. Basically, you would not believe how much my hair is starting to grow. Like, I can't believe it. Shit. I mean, my hair is growing very much so nicely, and I can dig that. I definitely can. All right, guys. So I have applied all of the Mayo and protein and egg and oil in my hair, and I'm gonna have it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. Usually I do a whole freaking hour, but honey, I need to get some sleep. I am exhausted and etc. So I'm just going to put this in, and then once I, you know, get ready to get in the shower, I'm going to show you that part as well. I'm going to rinse it out with you guys. All right, guys, I am definitely back, and we are definitely going to be doing it the bootleg way. I'm holding my camera right now, but it is what it is. I am still fudging new at trying to, you know, do shower videos, but I wanted to show you me taking this protein treatment out my hair. Ah! My hair got stuck in that bag. Oh, Felicia. Anyhow, this is what the protein is looking like. I am definitely glad I'm in the shower right now, because child, it's just best that I'm in the shower. So what I'm going to go ahead on and do is use my Mayo Rosemary Mint shampoo. You guys already know this is something that I've been using. It's a staple product for me. And on top of that, I love how this stuff smells. It's giving me realness, reality. So let me go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll be right back on, okay? All right, next, guys, what I'm going to go ahead on and do is use my Mayo Rosemary Mint hair mask and let this sit in my hair for about how long I need to take a shower, because I'm going ahead on to take a shower now. So I'm going to go ahead on and put this in my hair, apply, take a shower, and then rinse it off. All right.